Good morning! I'm here to teach you how I do my eye makeup, TikTok style. So first I start with the concealer, because I don't have a primer. But this works just as good. Now it's time for the color, using my Conspiracy palette. I don't know what I'm doing yet, so surprise! Step 1, I went in with the pink, with this little brushy. 2, I slapped on some orange on the top there, just like that. Next up is the cut crease with some more concealer. The cut crease is done. Basically, it's a primer before I put the other color on it. So here's the next color. Looks like I'm going all out today. So I added my winged liner and some mascara, because you need that. I put some red underneath there. Now I'm gonna finish up my face. Looks like I'm running out of time today, so I just went and finished up my whole face. So I put on some more concealer underneath my eyes to clean up that red, slapped on some foundation, did my contour and my eyebrows.